This is the elevator at the Hammocks Millcreek Building 900 in Millcreek Township, Pennsylvania. It's another Otis Gen2 with the California blue buttons. This one's much newer. This one's from 2019. Actually, no, 2020. I think 800 extra was 2019. But the four here go up. So I guess it's the newest one here. But it's already kind of creaky. I don't think the other one has a certificate. The one in 100, this one has a certificate. And the car here before. That took a little longer to log. Control, I think it's buzzing too. Louder than usual. Same basic laminate. Actually, this one's like metal. The other one I think was actual laminate. This one has the laminate pattern, but it's metal. Maybe the other one was metal, but I think it was laminate here by the one. That's longer for Gen 2 lovely. Longer to close too. Because that's gonna be it.